Hello folks, today I wanted to share with you something that I get asked a lot about, and that's these stars. And this is usually that you see on these old brick buildings, and we see these a lot in the Midwest. And actually they are something that people steal a lot. We had so much trouble with these being stolen because they're just on the old houses so the pawn shops are now supposed to be turning them in anytime anybody calls them in, because people steal them off the buildings. Well, what are they? That's the question. Well, actually, so there you see the identical one on the other side of the building here. And there's a rod that goes through here. And this is how we hold the brick together during the time. So as it's being built, that these stars are put in. Actually, they're just like braces. And they're just decorated braces is all they are. Like big old shims or like washers. Beautiful big washers. So that's what they are. Hey, hit like and subscribe. We appreciate you watching our videos. Galloway Building Services.